Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you another tutorial. And for today, let's talk about on how to change your Facebook profile account name. So in order to do that, you just need to log in first in your Facebook profile account. And then once you successfully log in to your Facebook profile account, kindly click the right side portion of your Facebook profile account and then kindly scroll down here and then kindly click this settings and privacy. After that, kindly click settings. And then once done, kindly click this personal and account information. So under this, you will see your personal and account information. So you can click that and then kindly change your name and any name that you want to change, first name or your last name, and if you want to include your middle name, it's okay. Now, however, please take note that if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 60 days. So don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words as well. So that will be all for today. So once you already change your name, you can click review change and then after that, that will be automatically changed. So, but this is a tutorial only and I will not change my name. I just simply show the steps. So that will be all for today. And don't forget to subscribe in our channel.